I make my own wax seals for my shop's packaging ahead of time. Here's a video on how I prepare them. First, you'll need a wax burner. It's not necessary, but it's easier if you have one, since you can leave the spoon on top of it while it melts the wax. Next is a wax seal stamp. I had mine custom made by Put It in Paper. Took about a month for it to arrive, but they got the design I want perfectly. I leave it in a bowl with ice water to cool. I find that this makes the wax easier to set. Then a tea light candle, a wax spoon where you'll melt the wax, wax pellets. It's easier for me to work with pellets since you can measure how many you'll need per seal. Lastly, a non-stick baking sheet. The seals just slide off in these when dry. Light the candle and place it under the burner. Warm up this spoon and place 3 wax pellets to melt. When the pellets dissolve, you may now pour it onto the non-stick sheet. Dry up the wax seal stamp before you place it on top of the melted wax. I've added just 2 more wax pellets on the spoon to melt. This is just the right amount in making a 25 mm wax seal. Clean up the spoon using dry paper towels from time to time since soot accumulates at the bottom. If you want to change the color, just wipe the wax off. Be careful, the spoon might be too hot. Fold the paper towel a few times to make it thicker. Then just start by adding 3 wax pellets to melt. Now that they've cooled off, you can easily peel them off the mat. Whenever I need them, I just use double adhesive to secure them onto the envelope. So that's how I make my shop's wax seals. Hope you learned something new and thank you for watching.